The question is, the average body length of Drosophila nasuta collected from Andaman and Nicobar Islands is 2 mm. From this population, a few males and females having a body length of 3 mm were selected and interbred. The average body length of the resulted progeny was 2.5 mm. Therefore, the heritability, which is denoted by h square of the body length in this population, is what? So, to answer this question, we will go back to the concept of heritability. So, there are few more concepts which can be applied to this question. One is heritability, one is selection, and then there is response to selection. So, heritability can also be defined as estimated or can be defined by the ratio of observed selection response to the observed selection differential in artificial selection experiments. So here the selection was working on these body length. If you read the second line, it said from the initial population, the males and the females who had 3 mm body length were selected, and then these selected males and females were interbred. The resultant progeny was 2.5 mm. So if we just jot down these information, we have generation 1 whose average body length was 2 mm, generation 2 whose average body length was 3 mm, and then generation 3 with 2.5 mm. So we will now apply the h square, which already has been shown. There is a ratio of r to s. We need to identify which is r and s. And this equation is also called Breeder's equation. Now, S is your observed selection differential. So, this is the differential that on which you are acting at the given time. So, the action is against or for the 3 mm body length. So, the differential that the difference of the body length that we are talking about here is 1 mm, which is the average body length difference between generation 2 and generation 1, which is 1. R is the response to this observed selection. So what happened after the selection was made? So the observed change was 2.5 mm as the body length in these progeny from the selected individuals. So R is then the difference between the body length of generation 3 with the original population, which was 2. So the difference is 0.5 there. So now we applied this S and R to this equation, which is h squared is given by R by S, that is 0.5 by 1, which is 0.5. So therefore the answer to this question is 0.5. To refer to more on these genetics aspects and topics, you can refer to this course which is offered by NPTEL.